Hey friends, this is the Universal Easy Installer. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this tool to actually program a key fob for a Dodge Ram. I've got a 2017 Dodge Ram. Now this obviously works on multiple cars, and in today's demonstration, obviously that's the vehicle that we're going to be using. Now you will need to get the Universal Easy Installer, obviously as a separate purchase, as well as these key fobs. Now all this can be found on Amazon. I'll put links for both of these products in the description box below. Now, one of the first things we actually need to do is download the app for the Easy Installer here. And again, that just gives you all the screen options on your phone, makes things really handy. So we can use this QR code and download the app from our smartphone. Now that link will take you to their website, and then we can scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, we can choose based off the device that we're using, which store to download the app from. I'm gonna choose the Apple Store, and then we're gonna click Get. Okay, we're inside the Easy Installer app, and so what we're going to do is click on key pairing, and then as you can see, it's having us scan the QR code that's on our specific Universal Installer, and that's going to give us our next options here. We're going to give it access to our camera, and as you can see, it's going to open up here. We were able to grab that QR code at the very top of the installer. And then as you can see, we do need to make sure we're on stable Wi-Fi, and then we have all the keys close by that we want to program. Let's go ahead and click Start. Okay, we're gonna enter our VIN, and the make for this one is going to be a Dodge, and then I'm gonna do model is going to be a Ram 1500, and the year is gonna be 2017. You'll also have to choose the type of key that you're going to be using. We are actually going to use that FobX style key on top. Okay, it's giving us the software that we're going to need for the specific model of truck that we have, so let's go ahead and download that. And as you can see, we're now ready to put the installer into the OBD port. Now, I'll show you where that's located on the Dodge, but again, you may find it in other places depending on your vehicle. Here's the Dodge Ram in the driveway. We have Wi-Fi connection out here. Let's go ahead and get inside and get to that OBD port. All right, let's go ahead and plug in the Universal Installer here. It's gonna stick that up in there. Fits nice and easy, and we're ready to continue with the instructions. Okay, next we're going to need to make sure our Bluetooth connection is on. So we're going into settings here. I'm gonna click on the Bluetooth up top, and we're looking at the ability to pair down here. You can see the Easy. I'm gonna click on that under other devices. Okay, as you can see, we are paired. Now it's very hard to see on camera, but there's a little light down here that's blue, and that means we are connected via Bluetooth. It was green before when it was just plugged in. Okay, let's go ahead and click next. Okay, so we need to turn on the ignition within 30 seconds. Okay, back in front of the dashboard, this is the new key fob. Let's go ahead and give it a turn and see if everything works. And it does. It actually worked really, really great. So there you go. That's basically how you do it, friends. We now have a new key fob set up. Again, if you have multiple versions of this, you can pair the second one as well with this process. Okay, let's also make sure that the lock and unlock feature is working. So I'm gonna hit the lock button here. All right, unlock. And there you go. So everything is working excellent. Definitely a huge thumbs up for this product. It'll work for multiple cars. Let us know how it works for you. Stay tuned, we're making a bunch more videos for Ram trucks, all the vehicles in our fleet to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.